You almost ready for now?
Yeah, I'm almost ready.
I'm grabbing the box.
Okay, cool. Oh, hey kids, come out here.
Hey, I'm Selena.
If you watched our last video, then you know that we are packing for our destination wedding.
Yeah, at this point, you're probably wondering where we've been all week, and we're already in Vancouver once this video goes up. So we didn't want to leave you guys empty-handed for the week while we're having a great time with the fam.
Greetings from the Great White North.
Right now, we're at home in New Jersey, and we are packing our bags to get to our destination for our destination wedding. So the bags that we have are 2 carry-ons and 2 personal bags that we need to obviously keep with us to go on the plane. But we have a checked-in bag that has a lot of our decor, little things, nothing crazy. We're actually waiting for a delivery that's not going to make it today, it looks like. But we are packing the rest of the decor to wait, get packed, stuffed, make sure everything's secure.
Nice and tight.
This guy's really good at that. And then we're gonna ship our checked bag. Instead of taking it with us on the plane, checking it in, because we have a layover. We have a layover, a long layover overnight, and we don't want the bag to get lost. So we just want to ship it there, and even if we find out it is lost, it's a lot of the stuff that we can replace. Like, yeah, nothing too irreplaceable. No heirlooms are going in there.
And most importantly, if it gets lost, the worst thing that happens is it comes back home.
Exactly.
Whereas if it gets lost by the airport, it might be gone forever. I know it doesn't always happen to some people, but like I like the security of knowing that it's either going to be where I want it to be or at home.
And so we want to make sure our check bag is ahead of us. And on the way back home, because we don't really care what really happens to a lot of this stuff, then we're going to check it in because we're just going home and probably won't use it until our August celebration. Don't mind the hair. I got it done today for the wedding.
Yeah,
you know?
I'm sorry. I probably look a mess.
Oh, stop. He's making fun of me. So we're gonna take you over to the living room, and we hope that this information is useful because not a lot of people talked about packing for their destination wedding, which is very important, don't you think?
I would agree.
Very important.
Well, for us in particular, as we said last time, we don't actually have any family or too many friends that are out that way. So everything has to come from here over there. Mm-hmm. And this is essential. Like, we can't really ask anyone to run around and grab everything for us.
Yeah. We do have a wedding planner, but that's not really her job to like go grab things. We really want her to focus on other things. And it's a small ceremony, so yeah, we don't really have too much. So we figured the things that we really like will get delivered here or go pick up and then pack the suitcase and then send it over. So yeah, so it just seems easier for us. For somebody else, I can see like they might have a lot of DIY stuff that they want to bring to the destination. And I would kind of suggest the same thing, like shipping it, right?
Yeah.
I don't think checking in stuff really is a good idea.
Not for me. I mean, if you're going direct, it's one thing.
Yeah, that's true. If
and
you're going direct.
We have layovers going. Stay tuned.
Yeah, we'll have a video about our layover.
But yeah, I would say shipping it. And there are totally lots of services that'll do that for you. But I have an account with an express carrier service that I like to use, so I use that instead. And some people like to ship the bag by itself. Maybe they get it shrink wrapped. Some airports have the machine, they'll like shrink wrap it for you and all that. We're gonna put ours in a very big box.
Very big.
We're going to fill you in on all that later.
Yes. So, to the living room.
Instant transmission to the next location.
Go.
Okay. So we are going to pack all of this material into this bag. Now what we have here is a couple of things for the actual ceremony card box. This is a steamer, portable steamer, coconut oil because TSA will take it, our tripod, a picture frame, and a display that is on there. We also have a letter for the guests that will arrive. Now, we got this packing material from a warehouse. I just asked them for a box because they're going to throw them out anyway. We got lots of paper because they were very helpful about it. And we're also using old packages that we got from Prime Stuff, things that were in there. We saved them particularly just to pack in here. Now, I'm a big proponent of laying down a good base. As you can tell, in most suitcases that are this size, they have like the metal rod that's in there. Some of the things that we have are kind of breakable. So I just want to put some stuff in here as like a protective base to go along with everything else. So I'm just going to take the extra bubble wrap and the paper and just have it left on the bottom. We have one of these bags that actually zip open. If yours doesn't, just lay it on the bottom all the same, because I'm going to close this actually. Doesn't have to be too crazy because everything is going to get packaged properly as well. Okay. That's step one. Step two. Whoop. All right. On the inner flap, there's going to be more cushioning. We got like these extra bubble packs that we had left over. We're going to put that there so if anything actually hops up while we're traveling, it's in good hands because like an airbag, it'll protect it. We're also going to take the flat material. We have additional envelopes and some papers that we're going to give out to people that they're there. That's going to go on the inside here because this is not breakable, but it also will leave a good base. And it's flat, so nothing will bend. So we're just going to put a couple more in here. And that takes care of this part. All right, so we got the display here. We're gonna give it a little protective layer so that it doesn't get scratched, scraped, or anything of the sort. Now again, you wanna remember that the suitcase is the main protection. You just wanna make sure nothing's going on the inside of it. All right, so this is just layer number one. Now, you might be wondering why I didn't wrap it all the way. I put both frames face down because the little stick in the back, I don't remember what that's called, the stand I guess, to keep them together, will sink into each other. You want to think of it as Legos or Tetris, all right? By them laying on top of each other and connecting like that, you're condensing the space that's in it, and there's nothing that's gonna like hop up and break it or shift it for that matter because it'll stay there. It's nice and secure, so not as much material is actually needed. All right, so now. And that's it. And nothing's really moving around. This is my suit for the wedding, and this is my garment bag. And we got this for a very specific reason, and I'll show you in just a second. First, I gotta put it in the garment bag. For all you people out there who like to be a bit dapper and see me struggling with this garment bag, please don't judge. It's probably the third or fourth time I've actually used it. Now that we've got our suit and our shirt in there, we can zip it up. Okay. In. And I guess I see you guys later. That was our packing video. Hopefully it helped you.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now, because we will have more videos like this, or even better, and you don't want to miss out. So come on, hit the bell.
Don't forget to hit like too.
Oh, like us.
You know you do.
And like I said, we're probably in Vancouver right now when this video is live, and we will be on Instagram, so definitely follow us over on there too, and leave a comment with a question if we didn't answer something or another question came up because of this video. We would thoroughly enjoy answering your question.
And if you share this video, a Nigerian prince will give you $5 million.
Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.